Hi students, in this exercise we will add some slope labels to determine the average slope of our properties on any grading plans. If you have any grading plans and you want to know about drainages and grading areas to determine the slope, then you can use this method to populate your surfaces, grading surfaces, and also you can determine slopes on your existing surface using this method in Civil 3D. Continue working with the previous exercise 415 drawing you will open. I will put also link in the description link, but it's not necessary to have completed the previous exercise before proceeding this. Now just select the surface which you have. For example, I have this grading surface. I will select this surface, and on the tint surface contextual tab, labels and tables panels, here we have add slopes, and just select add label from slope from the add labels. Alternatively, you can use annotate tab here, and you will see also add labels and tables panel, and you can select slopes from there. So on the command line you will see create labels or 1 point or 2 point. So 1 point is default state. Just press enter to select the 1 point and zoom into the circle. You can see here we have red circle on the western portion of the site, and using center or snap to place a label at its center. For example, I want to know the slope of this area, then I will just click here and you will see minus 9.5% slope with this direction. So this is the one method which you can also populate on your grading surface or existing surface to know the slope for any point. Just press escape or enter to exit the command, and again from the tint surface contextual tab, labels and tables panels, here you have slope. Just select slope, and for this time I will select 2 point. It is 2 point slope labels, and on the property I want to know how much slope from here to here. It will actually the average slope of my property, and when we are working on grading planes we must need to know how we can use these useful method in Civil 3D to determine our average slope, our steep slopes, and everything about the drainages area. So you can use 1 point and 2 point slopes method in Civil 3D to populate your surfaces, and you can also annotate your surfaces for final presentations. Just use end or snap to select the right end of the line here, and then the left side of the line here. Then press escape to exit the command, just and then escape or enter. So you can see here we have average slope of this area minus 9.6% slope. So this is how you can populate your surfaces with these type of useful labels. The second labels indicate actually every slope of the property by using 2 point labels. Now you get a better understand of the trend as opposed to a specific point. So please note, when using the 2 point labels command, the arrow in the label point is the direction of the second point picked. Okay, hope you like this video. For these type of useful videos, please stay with us.